Pia, mapakabait ka mabuti ha. Annyeong. Bye-bye. Pala kay Carlo.
Sa mga single people sa ICC, Riverside.
Riverside? Riverview.
Let's do it a very
You should invite me to your wedding. I'll be your flower girl.
Guys, let's take off all our stuff and let's go there.
FC, pagpatuloy mo yung mga plano mo ha. Gawa ko sa'yo, promise.
Yung wedding?
Oo, yung wedding. Pagpursige mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa kanya.
Yung cockroach.
Go, go, go.
Yung cockroach motif. Oh, may mga spray pen ako doon.
Tapos Jade. Lolo, I love you, little sister.
Ano niyo dyan? Kuha ng mga fruit flies.
Group hug! Group hug yourself.
Pa!
And your stuffed toy.
Ano mo?
Your superstar. Toy.
Sa kuha na.
Friends mo tayo ate. Friends mo tayo, di ba?
Thank you, Chris. I could never do it without you. Setting up the show.
Yeah, welcome.
Ikaw, Lynn Ralph.
Bye-bye, ate.
Russian.
Absolutely.
Bye. Do without you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so for letting us magkalat sa bahay nyo. Hey! Malinis na yung kwarto ko!
Magkamukha kayo.
Maliit, tapos maliit kami. Twin!
I'm
Magkamukha.
sexier. I'm
This
sexier.
is my Pinoy twin here in the Philippines.
Oh!
Male version ko, male version ko.
Ay, swerte mo.
Male version ko si Lolo.
Pray. Guys.
Do the back, do the back, do the back. Not too much weight on the shoulders, guys. Okay.